In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new room in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want this room to be created. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that left sidebar, click on Calendars. This will take you into the calendar area where you can manage booking setups, availability, and related scheduling options. If you use rooms for appointment coordination, this is the section where everything connects. After the calendars page opens, move to the top menu and click on Calendar Settings. This is where Gohighlevel stores the more detailed configuration options for your calendars, including the room setup you're about to create. Inside Calendar Settings, click on Rooms. The Room section is used to manage spaces or resource-based booking options, which can be helpful if you need to control how many appointments or events can happen in a specific room or location. Next, click on Add New Room. This will open the form where you can enter the details for the room you want to create. Start by adding the room name. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple rooms. A simple, descriptive naming style usually works best. Then add a description. This field gives you a place to include any helpful context about the room, such as what it's used for, or any internal notes that make it easier to manage. Keep it short, but specific enough to be useful. After that, enter the total capacity. This tells the system how many people or bookings the room can accommodate, depending on how you're using the calendar. Be sure to enter an accurate number so scheduling remains organized and avoids overbooking. Next, select the calendar you want this room to be associated with. This step is important because it connects the room to the correct scheduling flow. If you have multiple calendars, take a moment to choose the right one before moving on. Once everything looks good, click Create. That will save the new room and add it to your Gohighlevel setup. And that's it. You've successfully added a new room in Gohighlevel. If you're managing multiple spaces, it's a good idea to review the details one more time after creation to make sure the room name, capacity, and calendar assignment are all correct.